Cheers.
Like snow in the spring, I just want your time. I just want your time, oh, time.
What's up, y'all? It is your girl, Candace Denise, and I'm back again with another video. What's up, y'all? I hope that everybody's doing good. Stay sanitized, you know, living, loving on the people that love on you, and pointing to the people that point to you, because life is so short. Now, I don't know if y'all heard D'Angelo say we got a hand, but it is what it is. D'Angelo is the guy from TikTok. But we're gonna try that Biscoff no-bake cheesecake that's been all over TikTok. But we're doing the version that has the Biscoff cookies, Philadelphia cheesecake no-bake, the strawberry topping, preservatives, whatever, and then the Biscoff cookie butter. Now, somebody wanted to try it, but they went on a cruise. And I've been waiting to, and that's been what, 2 weeks? Oh, okay. I was like, well, how long it take to expire? It say June though. June 2nd, 2026. Okay. So the one that we saw, they basically stuck the cookies in. They put the strawberry topping on top, and then they drizzled the cookie butter. So we're gonna have to put the cookie butter in the microwave. So we need a little bowl for the cookie butter. And this was supposed to be a play like on, what was, Japanese cheesecake or something cheesecake, but y'all know we just gotta take it to the extreme. Like big back snacks, like Americans, they say Americans always, well, Americans eat unhealthy, and we always take like a healthy snack and make it unhealthy. So I think the original was with like Greek yogurt or something, some kind of yogurt. Okay, so first impression of the cheesecake. I'm not gonna taste it. Alright, so first we gotta put cookies in. I don't know exactly how many it is, but we can just stick them until we can stick them on. I won't do it then since you didn't do it. So we just stick them in. Ugh. You stick them all the way down. So I seen the people on TikTok, they let theirs sit overnight before they try it. But we're gonna try a piece of it now, and then we'll try another one of it tomorrow. Or let it sit for a few hours tomorrow. This is what it's looking like so far. Alright, so now we put we can do the cookie butter. Well, you gotta put it in a microwave to warm it up so we can do a drizzle. Drizzle! Drizzle! What are you doing? Oh. Oh, it smells like Biscoff. What are you doing behind my bed?
Nothing.
Okay, that should be enough.
How long does it sit in there? Can you make a little bit more?
Do it for like 30 seconds.
You want a spoon?
Oh, you want to lick the spoon? Just taste this part. It's good. 30 seconds. And then I'll get the Smucker's strawberry topping ready. stir that up. So, drizzle the cookie butter over there first, and then we'll like drop the little strawberry toppings on it.
I'm scared.
It's hot. Ooh.
Ours don't look like theirs.
What it look like? You think we need some more?
No. You look disgusting.
That's how theirs look. Okay.
Dang. It was that hot?
Oh wow. Put some more in there and warm it up. So once we put this on there, you can drop a little more on there. So we're dropping the strawberry topping on it. Ooh. Oh, we should make like little holes in it so it can drop down in it. Let me get a knife. Yeah, so that way it seep down into it. It actually makes it look real cool like that. I want to let this so they have naps. So you don't think that look good? No. Go ahead and drizzle. Drizzle!
I think that's enough.
Just do it lightly with the spoon. Or the boom, because it's bent. That's how they did it. And I do think we should take just a regular, and take one of these and do it. So that way they can sit overnight too. All right, so now we're gonna try it. Grab you one. Okay. Uh-oh. All right, are you ready? Cheers. Dip. It's actually good. It's real good. You like it?
Yeah. We can put it in the fridge.
So it is real good. But we're just gonna let it sit overnight. This is what it looks like so far. We're gonna put the top on it. And then we're gonna see what it look like tomorrow, but it's real good. It's just a lot. Like maybe we should have tried to find the little small cups and did individual ones. Cause this gonna take a long time. You want me to put the top on it?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's see. In the fridge we go. All right, 24 hours later, let's try it out. Let's see what it looks like.
Nasty. Still.
I feel like I need a spoon. Oh, you think we should just... Yeah, because...
No.
Get spoons.
Do they even eat it like that?
What, with a spoon?
No, without the spoon.
Oh, I don't know. So... Okay. That's good. It's real sweet. It's real sweet, real rich, but it's so good. What you rate it?
It's a 9 or an 8.
I'll say 10 out of 10. What could be better for you?
I don't like the strawberries though.
You don't?
I like the strawberries.
Just take me as a joke.
I know, D'Angelo.
I said clearly in the rules, don't order my shirt if you ate the Biscoff Cheesecake. This man has done way
He said we
far
out of
beyond
hand.
that.
He said we're
Far
bundling
beyond. It
snacks.
gets 38 hot even thinking about it.
I mentioned his name yesterday. Did you hear me say that? I said it's at the beginning of the
Oh
video.
yeah, you
Somebody,
did.
D'Angelo.
And you was like a TikToker.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, he said we bundling snacks. It's getting out of hand. He said we need to be eating ground beef, half a sweet potato, and it was something else he said. Overall, the no-bake cheesecake was delish. I enjoyed it. I loved it. Drop down in the comments, y'all. Let me know, have y'all tried the no-bake cheesecake dessert? Let me know what combination that y'all tried, because there's a lot of different recipes on TikTok, but that's the one that I saw that I wanted to try. So let me know if y'all tried it and what recipe that y'all tried. Make sure y'all like this video. Most importantly, make sure that y'all are subscribed to my channel and have those notifications turned on so that when I post a video, you will know and you won't miss it. So thank y'all so much for watching. Thank you for your love and for your support. And if no one else has told you that they loved you, just know that Candace Denise does love you from the bottom of my heart. And the bottom of this no-bake cheesecake. I love y'all, and I will see y'all in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.